How to sign in into Fitbit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to sign in or log in into Fitbit account. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure you easily open App Store or Play Store and search for Fitbit and then download and install if you haven't yet. Now tap open button or you can easily tap on the Fitbit icon to launch the app. Now, here you'll get the option to sign in with Google or sign in with Fitbit on the home page. You simply need to choose any one of the options in order to sign into your Fitbit account, but remember that you choose the option which is associated during the setup of your Fitbit account. So let's type the second option of signing on the Fitbit. Now here you can easily sign into Fitbit account using your email address and password. In case you forget the password, tap forget your password link underneath the password box and you can easily reset the password. So with entering all the credentials regarding your Fitbit, you can tap in sign in button and log into your Fitbit account. And with that, you will good to go. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.